Auf Yontif, auf a holiday, Yontif, 10.000 Jiden pflegen kommen in dem Städtel. Ich habe gehabt eine Fähigkeit, zu davenen in the synagogue was impossible. The synagogue could accommodate maybe 500 people, 600 people. And we had 10,000 people. So the yards in the front and in the back were filled with people. And in the synagogue, instead of having 500, 600 people, it was occupied by 2,000. Some people could actually be squeezed to get to death. So I couldn't take a chance to go into the synagogue, but since I was a little kid, and I wanted to see the Rebbe, because among Hasidim, the rabbi's meals are held in the synagogue. People were hanging, and I'm not exaggerating, hanging on the posts for hours, sometimes for days, to be able to see how the rabbi is eating and what the rabbi is saying. After such a meal, what you could find on the floor is buttons and heels. And I was blessed with this gift. I had a good orientation that when the rabbi said something, and he wasn't an orator, he didn't try to be an orator, I had in my imagination, I thought that this is spoken by an angel, because he didn't speak. He was crying. Oh, oh, oh. But you had to be able to cut one word to have the orientation. What did he say before? So old people used to come to me. Jingalo, was hat der Rebbe gesucht? And I still remember certain sayings that I heard directly from the rabbi, and I heard only parts, but I was able to combine it together and make whole sentences.